Hello everyone, this is Ms. Gutsell speaking for Ms. Gutsell's Guide to Growing in Technology. In this video today, we are going to examine some of the icons that exist within Google Docs for editing a document. So with that being said, we need to be in Google Drive in order to create a brand new document for editing. To create a new Google Doc, all I have to do is hover over the blue New button, click on it, and then select Google Docs from there. What I can do then is rename my document by clicking on the Untitled Document section and naming it however I wish to name it, such as Sample Document. I'm now going to add some text into this document so that we have some material I can manipulate for this tutorial. So, with that being said, what I'm going to discuss within this tutorial today are some of the basic functions of Google Docs. Google Documents function very similarly to other word processing programs like Microsoft Word and Apple Pages. However, due to the sheer number of icons and options that are going to be examined within Google Documents, they have been broken down into shorter video segments. So if you have questions about the other icons or options within Google Docs, please look at the other types tutorials or the other videos in this series. With that being said, let's talk about icon set number 1. And if at any point it is unclear which icon set I'm referring to, please go to the typed tutorial I created, which explains all of the icons in written form. So, for icon set number 1, on the farthest left we have the print icon. When I click on the print icon, as can be seen, this page appears. And I can then print the document to a printer I select. In this case, I would need to change the destination to a local printer for the document to be printed. However, since I don't need to do so today, I'm just going to click on the Cancel button. I can then work with the next icon in icon set number 1, the Undo icon. If I click on Undo, the document will remove whichever text I have most recently edited. Or if I made further edits, such as changing the font size or font color, it will revert the text to basically the most recent version that it was edited in. If I didn't mean to remove the text or to alter it, I can click on the Redo button, and then the text will appear as it was originally typed. From there, I can also deal with the final icon in icon set number 1, the Paint Format tool. So, let's say I need to make this word a different font and a different size. If you are confused as to how I made these changes, don't worry. Once we get to the next icon series, I do explain how to change the font type and sizing in another video. It can also be seen in the written tutorial. So I've changed my font size, and as a result, I want to make certain that all of my text appears in the same formatting. An easy option to do so is to click on the Paint Format button after I've highlighted my preferred text. So I'm going to do so now. Once I do that, all I have to do is click on the other text, and the document will format it to match what I have pre-selected. And so that was icon series number 1 within this tutorial. Please keep in mind that the icon series I referred to were a series that I created to break down the explanation of using Google Docs into an easier fashion. I hope that this tutorial helped you gain a little more knowledge and grow a little more in the usage of technology. Thank you.